What we're going to be looking at today is how to upload a media file such as a PDF or an image into MembersVillage so that it becomes available for usage within our content. The first method that I'm going to show you is how to upload a media file into our media manager. I'm already inside the media manager inside of a folder called test. And what I'm simply going to do is click on add file, give the file a name so that I can then refer to it by something that makes sense to me, not necessarily by a file name, and then simply choose the file that I wish to upload, press submit, and now it has been uploaded into the platform. What I then can do is go over to whatever piece of content that I'm modifying, and I can then simply either create a link. In this case, what I've done is I've created a link which will take me to that document, or I can, since this document is an image, I can also embed it into my content. So the first thing that I'm going to show you how to do is create a link to my new file. So I'm simply going to highlight what I wish to convert into a link. I'm going to go to the Insert Edit Link option, and I'm going to choose Uploaded Media as my link to item. I'm then also going to select my test category because that's where I've uploaded my file, and I'm simply going to choose the file that I've uploaded recently. I'm going to hit insert. At this point, I've created a link to my freshly uploaded file. However, what I also might be able or wanting to do is embed the actual file within my content. And again, because this is an image that we've just uploaded, I can do so by, again, hitting add image, going to my category, and then selecting the image that I've recently uploaded. And that is how you go about uploading an image or a file through the media manager and then making use of it through the editor. The second method that we'll be looking at is how to upload your media files directly through the editor so that you don't have to deviate away from your content creation process. In this case, I know that I'm going to want a link to the file itself, and what I'll also do is just select it because I'm going to turn this text into a link. I'm simply going to click on Insert Edit Link, and in this case I'm going to switch it from page to uploaded media. I'm going to go back to my test folder, but in this scenario I'm going to select Upload New File underneath File, and what this will allow me to do is then choose a file from my system, give it a name. You still want to give it a description which is meaningful to you. And then simply hit insert. And the process in the background is going to upload your file. It's going to then add the file into your media manager as well. And it's going to create that link for you to the file itself. And those are the two methods you can use to upload a media file for usage within your content in your MembersVillage installation.